The geography of Mozambique. Mozambique lies in Africa, in the southeastern part of Africa. And it has, to the north of it, the country Tanzania. And then next to it, there is the Lake Malawi and also the country Malawi. Then there's Zambia, and then Rhodesia. And then at the south side, there is South Africa with Swaziland, landlocked Swaziland inside of South Africa. The whole country has a length from north to south of around 3,000 kilometers and from west to east 3,400-500. It has mountains, and they are the Nyasa Highlands. They are a continuation of the Tanzanian mountains in the north. And there's also the Mount Namuli, that is 2,500 meters high. And the Western Highlands in the middle part, basically, they are a continuation of the Rhodesian uplands. Now, and there it can rain heavily from December to April in thundery storms, and that can lead the rivers, which are going to the coast, to swell and flood massively, because the coastal region for 300 kilometers is very plain. So it rises just 150 meters high over that region, and there can be a lot of flooding. In the deltas of the rivers, there are some growth trees growing, so trees with the roots standing in the water, basically, and also a small belt of tropical forests is along the coast. The middle part is part of the tropics, the southern part not, but there is the warm offshore Mozambique current bringing warmth down. Now, some cities, the capital city is Maputo in the south, and then Nova Sofala a bit more north, and then Beira, and then also a bit more northwest than Quelimane. Now, then there is a lake a bit south of Malawi, not the Lake Malawi, there's another lake, and there is a dam built, the Cobra Bessa Dam, and there's also a city called Tete. And the nature of it is a bit savanna-like, and there are lions, elephants, and zebras. And in the more higher areas, where it is scattered trees and grassland, in the lower areas, it is thickly wooded grassland. 23 to 27 degrees Celsius. And that is according to Nations and Places on the page 1237 of Reader's Digest Library of Modern Knowledge, Book 3, 23, written by Monica Beckinsale, Robert Beckinsale, Harold Blackmore, DJ Dwyer, Keith Lyer, Stewart and Nancy McMillan, R.E.H. Miller, Kevin Rafferty, D.H. Sinker, Arthur Spencer, G.R. Story, James Wilder, C. and Kenneth Wharton.